So here we are again back, friends, but this time solution is already ready made, which I have already done. The only thing is the video becomes too long, and anyways, let's see what is this question all about, and we will try to understand the question nature, the type that has been asked. The only motive is just to solve the PYP and accordingly to get the idea in what way they might ask in this upcoming. So here the thing is understanding. Let us see, let us read the question. To do a certain work, the ratio of efficiencies of A and B is 3:7. Working together, they can complete a work in 14 days. B started the work, and after working for 8 days, he left, and A completed the remaining work. For how many days did A work? Asked in SSC MTSC shift to 22nd August 2019. So, friends, this question, if we see, efficiency ratio has been given of A and B. What is the efficiency ratio? 3:7. Now, the question is telling both of them they work together, but what happens? They complete the work in 14 days. If they work together, this A and B, they will complete this work in how many days? 14 days. However, B started the work. Who started the work? B started the work. That time A was not there. He started the work and he worked for how many days? Only 8 days. And then he left the work. And then the remaining work is done by whom? A. So now we need to find out how many days A work. Or another way question can be framed that A completed the remaining work in how many days? Let us see. So as we know, friends, the efficiency ratio of A and B is given already. How much? 3:7. And it has been also given that if A and B they work together, they can complete the work in how many days? 14 days. So it's very simple now, friends. We know total work is the most important point which we need to find in each and every time and work question. So how to find total work? We know the formula is simple: total efficiency divided by number of days or total number of days. So here the combined efficiency of A and B, efficiency, or we can say 1 day work, is how much? 3 and 7. So 7 plus 3 is 10. This is how we are getting this 10. Then how many days they are taking? They are taking 14 days. So 10 into 14, 140 unit. That means our total work is 140 unit. Okay, friends. So done. Now it's already mentioned that B started the work and he worked for 8 days. So now we need to find out B 8-day work. So we know as per B's efficiency or B's 1 day work is how many units? 7 unit. B's 1 day work is 7 unit. So since B worked for 8 days, so his 8-day work will be what? 7 into 8, 56 unit. What is our total work? 140 unit. So from here, since B started the work and B worked for how many days? 8 days, and in 8 days he worked, he produced how many units? 56 units. So hence we are getting B's 8-day work. So from total work we are deducting B's 8-day work. So we are getting remaining work. Remaining work is how much, friends? 84 unit. So now this remaining work will be done by whom? Done by A, because it is clearly mentioned in the question. The remaining work is A completed the remaining work. So hence this 84 unit work will be done by whom? Will be done by A. So remaining work done by A in how many days? 84 unit was the remaining work, and A's efficiency or A's 1 day work is how much? 3. So 84 divided by 3, we are getting 28 days. So this is our answer. Okay, friends. So here in this question they can ask in two ways. Here first they have asked for how many days did A work. So A worked for how many days? 28 days. Or another way, A completed the remaining work in how many days? So it will be again 28 days. It was very simple and easy question, friends. So like this, shift wise solutions will be provided to you. Thank you for watching.